If you're having trouble logging to the First Descendants and you face this error message which says a network error has occurred, then you're not alone. A lot of people are complaining on this issue. As if you go to the First Descendant subreddit, you can see a lot of people are complaining on this problem. So this problem occurs when the First Descendant servers are down. So if the First Descendant servers are down, as you can see, if you go to downdetector.com status/ the First Descendant, you can see there are some outages reported in the last 24 hours. So if the servers are down, you may be facing this issue a lot. You can try to restart your device and your router, but in most cases, you just need to wait. You don't have to do anything. Just wait until the servers has been restored and you'll be able to log in as normal. So you can just go to the First Descendant Twitter page for the First Descendant alerts, and you can monitor the server status. As you can see, multiple players across all platforms are reporting server disconnection and login failure. Servers might be experiencing issues. So this Twitter page also monitors the First Descendant servers. So you don't have to do anything, and it's not about your device. It's just a lot of people are having this issue because the servers are down. So you just need to wait and the servers will be restored. Just wait some few hours, maybe like 24 hours, and it will be restored.